I literally was just flipping through my planner to get to a blank page, and I came across these spreads from last year around this time, and oh my gosh, these kits are so cute, and I really want to bring these back soon. I think this one was Birds of Paradise, and it was absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to get Lucy to bring this one back. And then also like the foil, the tropical foil elements are just absolutely stunning and flawless. We definitely have to bring that back as well. And then this one was the Mother's Day kit. We are doing a Mother's Day kit. I don't know if we're gonna bring this one back or if we're gonna do a new one, but this one's also really pretty. And then this one was Daisy. Oh my gosh, so pretty, and like all the foil. We need to bring these back again. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. But anyway, I wanted to flip to a blank page so that I can make sure that I'm in frame. But today I'm going to be going over our new releases for tomorrow. So today is Thursday and new releases go live tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is when our new releases go live every single week. And we are offering 20% off of all of the new releases. So if you are eyeing anything from these collections, definitely go and pick them up while they are on sale this weekend. One more thing I wanted to mention before I get into this week's releases, I did restock, or I have not yet, but I will be restocking the Sakura Micro Perm pens. These are the pens that we recommend that you use for our subscription kits as well as our vellum sticky notes. This is the pen that I would recommend for writing on the Luxe Premium Matte, as well as the transparent matte. I would recommend this pen. But if you're just grabbing our regular premium matte stickers, which is all of our in-house kits, then honestly any pen will do. I just have a couple right here. The Le Pen pen, also have the Pentel Energel Clena. So honestly, any pen will work on these kits. But jumping into this week's new releases, we have 3 new kits. The Bridgerton one is actually a reformat from last year, but other than that, our other 2 kits are brand new to the shop. And if you want to help pick the foil color for these kits, I always ask for foil suggestions over on our Instagram stories. I will put up a poll every week, usually at the beginning of the week, for foil color suggestions. And so this is what you guys voted on. So thank you to everyone who voted. And let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so these kits are a bit curly since I literally just foiled them. They are hot off the press. So first up, we have a matching deco. This kit is, of course, called Bridgerton, and it is Bridgerton inspired. We thought this would be a perfect time to bring back this kit from last year since season 2 just aired on Netflix. Let me know your thoughts on season 2. I binged it over the weekend and I thought it was really good, but yeah, definitely a little bit of a different vibe from season 1, but I still really liked it. So here we have the full boxes. You guys voted on a silver foil, which matches with this kit perfectly. I believe last year we also did a silver foil, but I think silver just matches really well with the light blues. So this year we did add in some florals, which are really pretty and just adds a little bit extra to this kit. Next we have the headers and the bottom washi. I am obsessed with the bottom washi. I think it looks so pretty. Here we have the functional boxes. Pretty self-explanatory. I think I will be reformatting our weekly kit sometime soon. So if you have any reformatting suggestions, anything that you would like us to change about our weekly kits, I will definitely take that into account. We have our date covers, have our sidebar stickers and layering stickers. Gorgeous. I love the florals. So that is our Bridgerton weekly kit. We also have all of our kits available in a B6 size, which is 2 pages instead of 4. So if you just want less, then I would recommend getting the B6 sized kit. Moving on to the next kit, I actually have it under a paperweight so I can try and flatten it out a little bit more. We have this really gorgeous watercolor kit called Balance, and it is in rose gold foiling. Look at all of the florals. I am totally obsessed. Here is the little deco sheet. Again, comes with some floral bouquets, individual flowers, little like plant flora. And then here is a close-up of the full boxes. And then the quote box says, "Protect your peace." I just love how bright and colorful it is while still being pretty pastel. And I think this kit would be absolutely gorgeous for summertime. I'm thinking like June would be a great time to use this kit. Here are the headers and the bottom washi. And then we have our functional boxes. And then last but not least, we have our date covers. You have your checklists and some sidebar stickers and layering stickers. So I have a question about these checklists. Does anyone still use checklists in their planner spreads? Because I still do, but I feel like if you're doing more like decorative or memory planning, then you probably wouldn't use these checklists. So let me know if that's something you guys would want me to take out or if I should keep it. So that is Balance. And then moving on to the last kit, it's a photo kit. We try to come out with a photo kit every single month. So this is Calm. And we never have matching deco for our photo kits since these are photos and there's not really any like clip art for deco, so no deco sheet, but this one is in silver foil. It was honestly a pretty close vote between silver and light gold. I think either one could have worked with this kit, but silver won, so that is what I went with. Here is a closer look at the full boxes. And the quote box says inhale and exhale. So those are the full boxes. I think this kit would also look really good during the summer, especially with all of the blues. It gives me like beachy vibes. That's kind of what I was going for with the foil elements. We have our functional boxes. And then we have our date covers, sidebar stickers, and layering stickers. So that is Calm. So that is all that I have for you this week. Again, all of our new collections will be 20% off this weekend. They will go live tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday. In case you don't know, Tuesday is actually going to be a $2 Tuesday rewind, so I'll be uploading a video on Monday telling you all of the collections that we will be bringing back for the rewind. If you have any suggestions on which collections you want brought back, definitely leave a comment letting us know. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!